Ayun, Sagittarius woman and a Capricorn man. Let's talk about it. This hits close to home kasi nga, Sagittarius sun ako and Capricorn rising and Capricorn moon ako. So parang itong relasyon na to, parang ako na pinag-isa. So gets na gets ko both part. So may say ako dito. A lot of pop astrologers will say, parang tong tubig at langis. Mahirap siya na relationship. Baka hindi siya mag-last. As someone na experience ko to, chances are it will last for years. Yung mga na-notice ko sa mga comments lately, yung mga sinasabi ng mga pop astrologer na mahirap na placements when it comes to love, yung mga sinasabi nilang hindi compatible, yun pa yung mga nagtatagal. Like mga 10 years, 20 years. Samantala yung mga easy placement, yun yung parang ang bilis mawala. Siguro that's the part of making the relationship stronger, is learning from the differences of each partner, which makes it more challenging, and that's how you grow. It could not be an easy zodiac match, but if you both mature together, yun yung maglalast. So Capricorn man and Sagittarius woman, mukhang opposite, 'di ba? Pero sobrang lakas ng chemistry nila. Sa first part of their relationship, alam kong sobrang click kayo. Pareho kasi silang ambitious, matalino, at kayang pag-usapan yung iba't ibang topic. Gustong-gusto ng mga Sagittarius woman yung mga taong may pangarap at may direksyon yung buhay, like a Capricorn man. Pero dito nga nagsisimula yung challenge, te. So yung Sagittarius woman kasi open book yan. Kapag gusto ka niya, sasabihin niya, as in, honest siya sa feelings niya. Samantala yung Capricorn man, mas reserved siya. Gusto niya munang malaman lahat tungkol sa'yo, pero hindi siya agad nag-open up. Kaya, as a Sagittarius woman, sabi, parang, ako lang ba yung emotionally vulnerable dito? O isa sa pinaka-strong nilang connection is yung physical chemistry. So, kahit nagka-clash yung personality nila, malakas yung attraction at passion nila sa isa't isa. Madalas ito yung mga totga, yung mga hindi mo madaling makalimutan. Si Sagittarius kasi ay spontaneous, adventurous, at mahilig sa new experiences. Samantala si Capricorn man, practical yan, structured, and gusto niya laging may plano. Yan yung gustong-gusto talaga ng mga Sagittarius woman when it comes to a man na, ay, may plano to, may structure siya, I love it. Gusto kasi ng mga Sagittarius, mga stable na tao. So sa honeymoon stage, sa mga first parts of the relationship, masaya siya. Pero habang tumatagal, nagiging grounded yung Capricorn man. Let's say parang work-focused siya. Tapos minsan emotionally unavailable ang Capricorn. Parang may pagka-nonchalant ang atake. May nababasa ko mga experiences ng mga Capricorn men. Yung mga Capricorn men, gustong-gusto nila yung pagiging caring, supportive, at yung pagiging masayahin ng isang Sagittarius woman. Sila kasi yung nagbibigay ng excitement at warmth sa buhay nila. Warmth. So si Sagittarius parang siyang life is for experience. Tapos si Capricorn yung parang save first, enjoy later. Kasi nga ruled by Saturn. So laging may discipline yan. May limitation. So possible yung mga away nito is more on the finances. Kung bakit gastador tong si Sagittarius woman. Si Capricorn naman save lang save. Ganun. Usually may clash din talaga sa impulse decision ni Sagittarius dito. Magkaiba kasi sila ng priorities, kaya kailangan talaga mag-compromise tong signs na to. At pag nag-away to, oh my God, pareho kasi silang opinionated. Walang gustong magpakumbaba. Pag nag-away to, matigas yung ulo nitong dalawa. Not because wala na yung love, pero may isa talaga na ayaw magpatalo. Ayaw nila matalo sa argument. Lumalaki yung ego nila. And usually sa mga opposite signs talaga, yun talaga nagtatagal. So I wouldn't be surprised kung marami dito mga married, in 10 years, 20 years na. Or ito yung relasyon na hindi yung nakalimutan talaga. Kahit complete opposite sila, basta you learn how to respect your partner and marunong kayo mag-adjust, magtatagal naman yan eh. Lagi ko yan sinasabi sa mga videos ko, there's no such thing as hindi compatible. Yes, mahirap. Pero if you learn to grow with each other's differences, and natuto kayo mag-adjust, it will work out. As in, maraming growth tong relationship na to. Magbigay ka lang ng emotional reassurance, matuto kayo mag-communicate, and tanggapin mo talaga na magkaiba kayo ng approach sa buhay. As a Sagittarius to a Sagittarius like you, who has a Capricorn moon and Capricorn rising, here's my advice. Capricorn men fall in love due to consistency. Hindi dahil sa mga grand gestures mo, more on the consistent. Kung consistent ka, they fall in love. Give your Capricorn men patience. Huwag mo siya i-pressure. Huwag mo masyadong personalin yung pagiging quiet niya kasi they need more time to become emotionally vulnerable. So, pasensya lang. Huwag mo nang i-pressure na mag-open up. Kasi mag-open up yan if he feels safe. A Capricorn man wants a supportive woman. So, support his goals. Kung may nagawa siyang tama or parang milestone in his life, i-celebrate nyo. You show genuine interest in his dreams. Basta it will mean a lot to him if you celebrate this part of his life. Kunwari, na-promote siya, mag-throw ka ng party, treat him somewhere, he'll never forget it. And also, just be yourself, Sagittarius. Yung optimism, humor natin, and yung mga adventurous side natin, yun yung nagbibigay saya sa buhay nila. It brings out the balance dun sa serious personality ng Capricorn. Instead of pressuring him or trying to change him, why not i-invite mo siya sa world mo little by little? Lagi ko to sinasabi sa mga kapwa ko Sag, okay? Ingatan yung bibig kasi ang Capricorn ayaw niya ng criticism. Medyo super honest kasi tayo. So, it's the way you say it, okay? If you want to be honest with them, try positive scripting, yung hindi masyadong masakit. Huwag ka masyadong maging prangka, yung harsh truth. You can be honest by being kind. So, go through that path. Huwag ka din magugulat pag nagpo-pull back minsan yung Capricorn kasi minsan he needs a personal space muna. So, respect his personal space. Hindi ibig sabihin nun he's losing interest. Pinaprocess lang niya yung stress. Kasi ito pinapahirapan na talaga ang Capricorn lately sa pagiging Saturn. Like, kaya gets na gets ko yung Capricorn eh. Actually, lahat ng best friend ko, Capricorn Sun. Because yung Capricorn Moon ko, yung nag-a-attract sa kanila, like, we get each other. Kahit Sagittarius Sun ako. Kaya gets ko yung mga personal space na kailangan nila. And gets na gets ko yung boundaries. Hindi ako yung agad-agad na pumupunta sa bahay nila, hindi. Or yung tinatawagan sila, hindi. I respect personal space of my Capricorn friends. And if they are ready to talk again, nandito lang ako. Basta, ang Capricorn, action-based kasi yan eh. Tinitingnan niya yung action mo compared sa words mo. So, they value loyalty, reliability, and keeping promises. Importante sa amin yan, mga Capricorn, yung mga promises. So, please do not betray or lie to a Capricorn. Malaking issue yan. Promise. Someone with Capricorn Moon and Capricorn Rising, if someone just lies to us, sobrang turn off yon. Like, why? Why did you have to fucking lie? Mas gusto namin yung authentic, kung sino ka talaga. And just be honest. Hahayaan ka naman maging free ng Capricorn eh. Basta pag nakita niya yung pattern mo, yung action mo, loyal ka naman, faithful, yan, hayaan ka naman yan. The goal is not to be a camouflage girlfriend na to be more like a Capricorn, no. Still be yourself, okay? Be free-spirited. So build your trust through actions. Stick to your words, and once he gets your trust, he will feel secure and you're free to do whatever you want. Yun lang. For me, this sign is challenging but it works most of the time. So stay in love, lovebirds. Bye!